Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, where we explore some of the most unique vessels ever built. Today we have something truly special for you, a boat that carries not just passengers but stories, traditions and the spirit of Southeast Asian river cruising. Today we are diving deep into the RV Katha Pandaw, a river expedition vessel that has captured the hearts of travelers seeking adventure and authenticity. Stay tuned as we uncover its key features, design brilliance, interior comforts, performance strengths and what makes it stand out in the world of river cruising. Starting with the key features, the RV Katha Pandaw is a river cruise ship built specifically for shallow water exploration, designed to navigate the narrow, meandering waterways of Burma and India. The Katha Pandaw is crafted with a shallow draft that allows it to venture where larger ships simply cannot go. This offers a true off-the-beaten-path experience for its passengers. The vessel is about 57 meters long and 10 meters wide, with a design that maximizes space, comfort and maneuverability. It accommodates up to 36 guests across 18 beautifully designed staterooms, all offering stunning views of the surrounding riverscape. The Katha Pandaw is a classic example of a luxury river cruiser that doesn't feel like a hotel on water but rather like a floating home. It is built almost entirely of teak and brass, echoing the colonial-era ships that once plied the rivers of Southeast Asia. The authenticity of its materials combined with modern amenities makes it a rare blend of nostalgia and contemporary comfort. The boat features expansive outdoor spaces, shaded verandas, a spacious dining area, a cozy bar and multiple lounging spots, perfect for taking in the ever-changing scenery. Moving into the design, the RV Katha Pandaw stays true to the Pandaw fleet's core philosophy: simplicity, elegance, and functionality. Its lines are clean and traditional, inspired by the original Irrawaddy Flotilla Company steamers of the 19th century. The low profile and shallow hull are not just for aesthetic reasons, they serve the vital purpose of shallow river navigation, allowing the vessel to dock in remote villages and hidden corners that are inaccessible to other cruises. The exterior is painted in classic Pandaw colors, deep green with white trim, giving it a distinguished, timeless appearance on the water. Every design decision on the Katha Pandaw emphasizes openness to the river experience. The promenade deck encircles the entire ship, offering guests 360-degree views at all times. There are no interior corridors, instead all staterooms open onto the promenade, creating a sense of connection with the outside environment. This is a vessel built to immerse its guests fully in the journey, not just transport them from one point to another. The open deck design also promotes airflow, keeping the ship naturally cool and breezy even in warmer climates. Now let us step inside and explore the interior features. The first thing you notice when you walk aboard the RV Katha Pandaw is the warmth and charm of the materials. Gleaming brass fixtures, polished teak floors and handcrafted furniture create a welcoming environment that feels both luxurious and familiar. The staterooms are generously sized for a river ship, with large windows that flood the space with natural light. Each room is equipped with comfortable beds, writing desks, ample storage and ensuite bathrooms finished with elegant fittings and stylish tiling. One particularly charming detail is the absence of televisions in the cabins. This is intentional, encouraging guests to unplug from the digital world and instead engage with their surroundings and fellow travelers. However, modern conveniences like individually controlled air conditioning, safes and thoughtful lighting ensure that comfort is never compromised. The attention to detail is remarkable. Every latch, every hinge and every drawer pull is crafted with care and quality, ensuring that even the smallest touchpoints elevate the guest experience. The public areas of the RV Katha Pandaw are equally inviting. The dining room is open plan with large communal tables that foster a sense of camaraderie among passengers. Meals are a highlight on board, with a mix of Western and Southeast Asian cuisine prepared fresh daily. The chefs often use locally sourced ingredients picked up from riverside markets along the route, adding an extra layer of authenticity to the culinary experience. The bar and lounge area provide a relaxed atmosphere for socializing, with a selection of wines, beers and spirits to enjoy as the sun sets over the river. The sun deck is another standout feature, offering comfortable seating shaded by canopies and unobstructed views of the river landscapes. Whether you are enjoying an early morning coffee, watching fishermen cast their nets or unwinding with a sundowner cocktail, the sun deck becomes a favorite spot for most guests. There is a real sense of space and serenity here, making it the perfect place to reflect on the day's adventures or simply lose yourself in the hypnotic rhythms of the river. Turning to the performance aspects, the RV Katha Pandaw Is built for efficiency and reliability. Operating primarily on diesel power, the ship uses modern engines that are engineered for low emissions and fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The shallow draft hull allows it to cruise even during the dry season when river levels drop significantly. Navigation equipment onboard is modern yet discreet, maintaining the vessel's classic look while ensuring the highest standards of safety and maneuverability. Despite being a traditionally styled ship, the RV Katha Pandaw is fitted with up-to-date safety features including radar, GPS systems, radio communications, and life-saving equipment. Crew members are highly trained not just in hospitality but also in navigation and emergency procedures, giving passengers peace of mind throughout their journey. Because the ship is relatively small, it can stop almost anywhere, allowing spontaneous excursions and giving guests the freedom to experience riverside life up close and personal, something that larger cruise ships simply cannot offer. One of the more subtle but important aspects of the Katha Pandaw's performance is its low noise and vibration levels. The ship glides almost silently through the water, creating a peaceful onboard environment. Unlike many ocean-going cruise ships where engine noise can be ever-present, here you are more likely to hear the call of a bird or the splash of a fish than the hum of machinery. This enhances the intimate connection with the river surroundings, making each journey feel like a meditation on nature and culture. When it comes to unique selling points, the RV Katha Pandaw stands out in several compelling ways. First and foremost is its authentic design and material craftsmanship. This is not a ship trying to imitate a bygone era, it is one that embraces tradition while subtly integrating modern comforts. The use of real teak, brass, and handcrafted details gives the Katha Pandaw a soul and character that mass-produced ships simply cannot replicate. Secondly, the ship offers true expedition-style cruising rather than sticking rigidly to a schedule. The Katha Pandaw can change course when opportunities arise, whether it is an impromptu visit to a lively riverside festival, a chance to explore an ancient temple, or a spontaneous invitation from local villagers. Flexibility is built into the DNA of a Katha Pandaw journey. This makes each cruise a unique experience, shaped as much by chance encounters as by planned excursions. Another major selling point is the sense of community and connection fostered on board. With a maximum of 36 guests, the atmosphere is intimate and friendly, making it easy to meet people and share experiences. This is cruising as it used to be, not about endless entertainment options and anonymity, but about conversation, discovery, and shared adventure. The crew too are an essential part of this experience, many of whom have been with Pandaw for years, bringing genuine warmth and knowledge to their interactions with guests. Environmentally, the RV Katha Pandaw is designed to have a minimal footprint. Pandaw Cruises has long been committed to responsible travel, and the Katha Pandaw is part of that philosophy. Waste is carefully managed, water usage is minimized, and interactions with local communities are conducted with respect and sensitivity. This ensures that the beautiful and fragile river environments the ship explores are preserved for future generations. Finally, the RV Katha Pandaw offers something that is increasingly rare in today's world: a sense of true adventure and comfort. It is not about luxury for luxury's sake, but about creating an environment where guests can deeply engage with the culture, history, and natural beauty of the regions they visit. Every element, from the ship's design to its daily operations, supports this mission, making a journey aboard the Katha Pandaw not just a cruise but a voyage of discovery. As we wrap up our look at the RV Katha Pandaw, it is clear that this is more than just a riverboat. It is a time machine, a floating home, and a window into some of the most fascinating corners of the world. For those who seek authenticity, adventure, and a touch of old-world charm, there is truly nothing quite like it. Thank you for joining us today on Sir Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed exploring the RV Katha Pandaw with us, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our deep dives into the world's most remarkable boats. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.